Welcome. If you're looking to lose weight fast, you're not alone. Many people want to shed extra pounds quickly, whether it's for an upcoming event or simply to feel healthier. In this video, we'll explore proven strategies that can help you achieve your weight loss goals efficiently and safely. We'll cover everything from nutrition and exercise to lifestyle changes and mindset. Remember, while quick results are possible, it's important to prioritize your health and make sustainable choices. Let's dive into the first step on your journey to a healthier you. The first step in any weight loss journey is setting realistic and achievable goals. Rapid weight loss can be motivating, but aiming for too much too soon can lead to disappointment or unhealthy habits. Start by determining how much weight you want to lose and in what time frame. Experts recommend aiming for 1 to 2 pounds per week for sustainable results. Write down your goals and keep them visible to remind yourself of your commitment. This clarity will help you stay focused and track your progress effectively. To lose weight, you need to burn more calories than you consume. This is known as a calorie deficit. Understanding how many calories your body needs to maintain its current weight is crucial. Use online calculators or consult a nutritionist to estimate your daily caloric needs. Once you know this number, aim to consume fewer calories than you burn each day. Even a small deficit can lead to steady weight loss over time. Remember, drastic calorie cuts can be harmful, so focus on gradual changes. Keeping a food diary or using a calorie tracking app can make a big difference in your weight loss journey. By recording everything you eat and drink, you become more aware of your habits and can identify areas for improvement. Tracking helps you stay accountable and ensures you're not underestimating your calorie intake. Many people are surprised by how quickly small snacks and drinks add up. Make it a habit to log your meals daily for the best results. Focusing on nutrient-dense foods is key to losing weight fast and staying healthy. These foods are rich in vitamins, minerals, and other essential nutrients, but relatively low in calories. Fill your plate with vegetables, fruits, lean proteins, and whole grains. Avoid processed foods, sugary snacks, and empty-calorie beverages. By making smarter food choices, you'll feel fuller for longer and provide your body with the fuel it needs to function optimally during your weight loss journey. Portion control is a simple yet powerful tool for weight loss. Even healthy foods can contribute to weight gain if you eat too much. Use smaller plates and bowls to help manage your portions, pay attention to serving sizes on food labels, and try to avoid eating straight from the package. Eating slowly and savoring each bite can also help you recognize when you're full, preventing overeating. These small changes can add up to big results over time. Protein is essential for building and maintaining muscle, especially when you're losing weight. It also helps you feel full, reducing the urge to snack between meals. Include sources of lean protein such as chicken, fish, tofu, beans, and eggs in your diet. Aim to have some protein with every meal. This not only supports your metabolism, but also helps preserve muscle mass as you lose fat, leading to a healthier and more toned body. Reducing your intake of refined carbohydrates like white bread, pasta, and sugary snacks can help you lose weight quickly. These foods can cause spikes in blood sugar and lead to increased hunger. Instead, choose complex carbs such as whole grains, vegetables, and legumes. These provide lasting energy and keep you feeling satisfied. Remember, you don't have to eliminate carbs entirely, just be mindful of the types and amounts you consume. Drinking enough water is often overlooked, but is crucial for weight loss. Sometimes, our bodies mistake thirst for hunger, leading to unnecessary snacking. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day, and more if you're active or in a hot climate. Carry a water bottle with you to remind yourself to sip throughout the day. Staying hydrated also supports your metabolism and helps your body function at its best. Sugary drinks like soda, energy drinks, and even some fruit juices can add a lot of empty calories to your diet. These beverages don't fill you up and can quickly sabotage your weight loss efforts. Opt for water, unsweetened tea, or black coffee instead. If you crave something flavored, try infusing your water with fresh fruits or herbs. Making this simple switch can significantly reduce your daily calorie intake and help you lose weight faster. Meal planning is a powerful tool for weight loss. By preparing your meals in advance, you can control portions, choose healthier ingredients, and avoid last-minute temptations. Set aside time each week to plan your breakfasts, lunches, dinners, and snacks. Make a shopping list and stick to it when you go to the store. Having healthy meals ready to go makes it much easier to stay on track and avoid unhealthy choices. Mindful eating means paying attention to what and how you eat. Avoid distractions like TV or smartphones during meals. Focus on the flavors, textures, and aromas of your food. Eat slowly and savor each bite. This practice can help you recognize true hunger and fullness cues, making it easier to avoid overeating. Mindful eating also enhances your enjoyment of food and supports a healthier relationship with eating Exercise is a key component of fast and effective weight loss. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic activity per week, such as brisk walking, cycling, or swimming. Incorporate strength training exercises to build muscle, which helps boost your metabolism. Find activities you enjoy so you're more likely to stick with them. Remember, every bit of movement counts, so look for opportunities to be active throughout your day. High-intensity interval training, or HIIT, is a workout method that alternates short bursts of intense activity with periods of rest or lower intensity exercise. HIIT can burn more calories in less time compared to traditional workouts and continues to boost your metabolism even after you finish exercising. Examples include sprinting, jumping jacks, or cycling at maximum effort for 30 seconds, followed by a minute of rest. Incorporate HIIT sessions a few times a week for faster results. Strength training is essential for building lean muscle mass, which helps your body burn more calories at rest. Incorporate exercises like squats, lunges, push-ups, and weightlifting into your routine. Aim for at least 2 strength training sessions per week, targeting all major muscle groups. Not only does this support weight loss, but it also improves your overall strength, posture, and bone health. Consistency is the key to successful and lasting weight loss. It's better to make small, sustainable changes that you can stick with over time rather than drastic changes that are hard to maintain. Setbacks are normal, so don't get discouraged if you slip up. Focus on progress, not perfection, and keep moving forward. Celebrate your achievements along the way, no matter how small. Sleep plays a crucial role in weight loss. Lack of sleep can disrupt hormones that regulate hunger and appetite, making it harder to stick to your diet. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Establish a relaxing bedtime routine. Avoid screens before bed, and keep your bedroom cool and dark. Prioritizing sleep will help your body recover, manage stress, and support your weight loss efforts. Chronic stress can lead to emotional eating and weight gain. Find healthy ways to manage stress, such as meditation, yoga, deep breathing, or spending time with loved ones. Regular physical activity also helps reduce stress levels. By managing stress effectively, you'll be less likely to turn to food for comfort and more likely to stay on track with your weight loss goals. Crash diets may promise rapid weight loss, but they're often unsustainable and can be harmful to your health. These diets usually involve severe calorie restriction, which can slow your metabolism and lead to muscle loss. Instead, focus on making balanced, long-term changes to your eating habits. Sustainable weight loss is more likely to last and is much better for your overall well-being. Fiber-rich foods like vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and legumes help you feel full and satisfied, making it easier to eat less. Fiber also supports healthy digestion and can help regulate blood sugar levels. Aim to include a variety of fiber sources in your meals and snacks. Increasing your fiber intake is a simple way to support your weight loss goals and improve your overall health. Processed foods are often high in added sugars, unhealthy fats, and empty calories. These foods can make it harder to lose weight and may contribute to cravings. Focus on eating whole, minimally processed foods whenever possible. Cooking at home allows you to control the ingredients and make healthier choices. By reducing processed foods, you'll naturally lower your calorie intake and improve your nutrition. Skipping meals can backfire by making you hungrier later and leading to overeating. Instead, aim to eat regular, balanced meals throughout the day. Include a mix of protein, healthy fats, and fiber in each meal to keep you satisfied. Eating at consistent times can help regulate your appetite and support your metabolism, making it easier to stick to your weight loss plan. Snacking can be part of a healthy weight loss plan if you choose the right foods. Opt for snacks that are high in protein or fiber, such as Greek yogurt, nuts, or fresh fruit. Avoid chips, cookies, and other processed snacks that are high in calories and low in nutrients. Planning your snacks ahead of time can help you avoid impulsive choices and keep your energy levels steady throughout the day. Preparing your own meals gives you full control over ingredients and portion sizes. Home-cooked meals are often healthier and lower in calories than restaurant or takeout options. Experiment with new recipes and cooking methods to keep things interesting. Involving family or friends in meal prep can make it more enjoyable and help you stay motivated on your weight loss journey. Understanding nutrition labels can help you make healthier choices at the grocery store. Pay attention to serving sizes, calories, and the amounts of fat, sugar, and sodium in packaged foods. Look for products with simple ingredients and minimal additives. Being informed about what you're eating empowers you to stick to your weight loss goals and avoid hidden calories. Alcoholic beverages can be high in calories and may lower your inhibitions, making it easier to overeat. If you choose to drink, do so in moderation and opt for lower calorie options like light beer or wine. Be mindful of mixers, which can add extra sugar and calories. Limiting alcohol can help you stay on track with your weight loss goals and improve your overall health. Having support from friends, family, or a weight loss group can make a big difference. Share your goals with others and seek encouragement when you need it. Joining a community, whether in person or online, can provide motivation, accountability, and helpful tips. Remember, you don't have to do it alone. Support can help you stay committed and celebrate your successes. Tracking your progress helps you stay motivated and make adjustments as needed. Weigh yourself regularly, but don't obsess over daily fluctuations. Take measurements, photos, or keep a journal to record your achievements. Celebrate milestones and use setbacks as learning opportunities. Monitoring your progress keeps you focused and helps you recognize how far you've come. Everyone's weight loss journey is unique. Avoid comparing your progress to others, as this can lead to frustration or discouragement. Focus on your own goals and celebrate your personal achievements. Remember, slow and steady progress is still progress. Stay positive and keep moving forward at your own pace. Rewarding yourself for reaching milestones can help keep you motivated. Choose non-food rewards, such as a new workout outfit, a relaxing massage, or a fun outing with friends. Celebrating your achievements reinforces positive habits and makes the weight loss process more enjoyable. Just remember to keep your rewards healthy and supportive of your goals. Weight loss takes time, and results may not always be immediate. Be patient with yourself and trust the process. Focus on building healthy habits that you can maintain for life. Remember, the journey is just as important as the destination. Stay committed, and the results will follow. Pay attention to your body's signals of hunger and fullness. Eat when you're hungry, and stop when you're satisfied, not stuffed. If you feel tired or unwell, adjust your routine as needed. Listening to your body helps you make healthier choices and prevents burnout. Your body knows best, respect its cues. Healthy fats, such as those found in avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil, are important for your body and can help you feel full. Don't be afraid to include moderate amounts of healthy fats in your diet. They support brain function, hormone production, and overall health. Just remember to watch your portions, as fats are calorie dense. Motivation can fluctuate, so it's important to find ways to stay inspired. Set short-term and long-term goals, create a vision board, or keep a journal of your progress. Surround yourself with positive influences and remind yourself why you started. Staying motivated will help you push through challenges and keep moving toward your goals. Eating a healthy breakfast can jumpstart your metabolism and help you make better food choices throughout the day. Choose a balanced meal with protein, fiber, and healthy fats to keep you satisfied. Skipping breakfast can lead to overeating later and may slow your progress. Make breakfast a priority for better weight loss results. Restaurant meals are often higher in calories, fat, and sodium than home-cooked meals. Limit eating out and opt for homemade meals whenever possible. If you do eat out, choose healthier options, watch your portions, and avoid fried or creamy dishes. Making mindful choices when dining out can help you stay on track with your weight loss goals. In addition to planned exercise, look for ways to stay active during your daily routine. Take the stairs, walk or bike instead of driving, or stand up and stretch regularly if you have a desk job. These small bursts of activity add up and help you burn more calories throughout the day. Staying active supports your weight loss and overall health. Weight loss isn't always easy, and you'll likely face obstacles along the way. Plan ahead for situations that might tempt you to stray from your goals, such as social events or busy schedules. Have healthy snacks on hand, practice saying no to unhealthy options, and remind yourself of your reasons for wanting to lose weight. Being prepared helps you stay on track and overcome setbacks. While some supplements claim to help with weight loss, they're not a substitute for healthy eating and exercise. Most supplements are not regulated and may not be effective or safe. Focus on building healthy habits and consult a healthcare professional before trying any new supplements. Real, lasting weight loss comes from lifestyle changes, not quick fixes. Accountability can help you stay committed to your weight loss goals. Share your progress with a friend, join a support group, or work with a coach. Regular check-ins and honest self-reflection keep you focused and motivated. Accountability partners can offer encouragement and help you overcome challenges along the way. The number on the scale is just one measure of progress. Weight can fluctuate daily due to water retention, hormones, and other factors. Focus on how you feel, how your clothes fit, and other non-scale victories. Celebrate improvements in energy, mood, and confidence. Remember, true progress is about more than just a number. If you hit a plateau or aren't seeing the results you want, don't be afraid to adjust your plan. Reevaluate your calorie intake, try new workouts, or change up your meal routine. Flexibility is important for long-term success. Listen to your body and make changes that support your goals and lifestyle. Every step forward is worth celebrating. Take time to acknowledge your hard work and progress, no matter how small. Share your achievements with others. treat yourself to a non-food reward, or simply reflect on how far you've come. Celebrating success keeps you motivated and reminds you that your efforts are paying off. The most effective weight loss happens when healthy habits become part of your everyday life. Focus on building routines that you enjoy and can maintain long-term. Weight loss isn't just about reaching a number, it's about creating a healthier, happier you. Embrace the journey and make wellness a lifelong priority. Losing weight fast is possible with the right strategies, but it's important to do so safely and sustainably. By focusing on healthy eating, regular physical activity, and positive lifestyle changes, you can achieve your goals and maintain your results. Remember, every journey is unique, and progress takes time. Stay patient, stay motivated, and most importantly, be kind to yourself along the way. Here's to your health and success.